Hey guys, welcome back to Very Beautiful. Today I'm going to be reviewing the HighOh reusable menstrual pads. And yes, this is a kind of different video than what I've been doing lately, but I am leaning more towards lifestyle content that I actually care about. So these are actually better for the planet and they're better for your wallet because you're not continuously buying as much stuff. So I thought I'd try them out, and they did send these to me to try out, but I'm not getting paid, so I'm putting that out there first of all. And I tried them out recently as my period ended at the start of this week. I usually have a 4-day period because I am on Yaz, which is a birth control that gives you 4 days to have your period. So it's usually Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's pretty light, so just putting that out there for anyone, you know, listening to this review. If you have a heavier flow or you do not take birth control, then, you know, take it with a grain of salt. This is what they look like when they come in. So this is one of the ones I haven't used. It comes snapped together, and this is the standard size snap for underwear, and then this is the tighter one. I'll be honest, for me, I found myself always using this one because most of the underwear that I have is like slimmer in the middle. Either that or they just get stuck up my butt because I have a big butt. I don't know, but either way, I use this one. And I felt like it stayed in place pretty good, or at least the same amount as like a normal pad. I'm comparing these to like a regular maxi pad just because I feel like you can't really compare it to a liner since it's much thicker. But they are machine washable, so these are the 3 I actually used. I separated them so I can show you how they look after washing, that they look exactly the same, they feel the same. Now, this is the way that they show you to roll it up if you have like a soil pad. So basically, you'd hold it from the sides after you unsnap it, and then you'd fold one part over, and then the other part over, and then you just bring it over to snap in the middle. I'm trying to like show this. Well, either way, they have an instructional video on YouTube if you want to look it up. It's a lot better than whatever I just did. But you put it back inside this little bag, and then you take out the one that you use to replace it. I didn't have to replace it in a public place because I found them to be enough just to use like 1 per day, because as I said, my period is pretty light. It's only at like a moderate or medium flow on Saturday and Sunday, and it's really not that much. I could see that if you had a heavier flow that you would need to change it more often. I did end up using on my last day of my period, because it's so light, I just used a liner, one of those disposable ones, and that's just because I felt like this was too thick. It was kind of like overkill. So I wouldn't say that you'd completely get rid of, you know, your liners or anything like that, but it definitely, if you have a lighter flow, you could use this instead of tampons or pads that you've been using. So I found that to be really cool, and I have a link down below so that you can go to their Amazon store and look it up if you're interested. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. I've been trying to film this for like the last hour, but my dog has been super needy, so I need to check if she's gonna start her own period, because I noticed she's very needy like right before her heat cycle. But anyway, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and thanks again for watching Very Beautiful.